Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install browser extensions for Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge to steer applications in those browsers using Tosca. You will notice that when you start scanning a browser window with Tosca Xscan, a dialog box will appear informing you that you need to install the extension if it is missing or update it. For the browsers Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, you can install the extensions directly in the browser. Let's begin with the extension for Google Chrome. In the Xscan window that appears, click on Yes. Next, click on the Add to Chrome button to install the Tosca Automation extension for Chrome. In the pop-up window, click on Add Extension to confirm the installation. Next, right-click on the Tosca Chrome extension icon and click on Manage Extensions. Make sure to enable the checkbox for the option Allow Access to File URLs. To confirm that the extension was successfully installed, click on the Tosca icon in the address bar. The status message Automation Possible will appear. You can now begin scanning and creating modules in the Xscan using the Chrome browser. Now let's take a look at how to install the extension for Mozilla Firefox. As before, when creating a module using the Xscan, click on Yes in the window, informing you that the extension for Firefox is missing or outdated. Then, in the subsequent dialog asking your permission to add the Tosca extension for Firefox, click on Add. In the next dialog box, you will be informed that the extension has been added, with the Tosca icon visible. If the Tosca icon is not visible, make sure you check the box for Allow this extension to run in private windows. Click on OK, got it. As before, to confirm that the extension was successfully installed, click on the Tosca icon in the address bar, and the status message Automation Possible will appear. It is also possible to manually enable the extension for Firefox. To do this, open the folder Firefox Extension, located here. There you will see the file firefox at tricentis.com.xpi, which comes as part of your Tosca installation. Drag the file onto the Firefox browser. As before, the subsequent dialog will appear asking you for permission to add the extension. Click on Add. The extension will now be added. You can now begin scanning and creating modules in the Xscan using the Firefox browser. Now we'll have a look at how to enable the Tosca Automation extension for Microsoft Edge. Here we are using Microsoft Edge version 44. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser. Open the website About:/Flags. Check the option Enable Extension Developer Features. In order for this to take effect, you will need to restart the Microsoft Edge browser. Now, click on the button with the three dots in the navigation bar. Select the option Extensions. Then, click on Load Extension. Here you must navigate to the path where the Tosca Edge Automation extension is located. Click on the Select Folder button to confirm your entry. This will automatically add the extension for the Microsoft Edge browser. As before, you can confirm this by clicking on the Tosca icon. The message Automation Possible will appear. It could be the case that the extension wasn't added. In this situation, restart the browser. A pop-up window will inform you that extensions from unknown sources have been turned off. Click on the Turn On Anyway button to allow for the browser to be steered with the Xscan. As before, the Tosca icon will appear in the address bar. Please note, whenever restarting Microsoft Edge, the same pop-up window will appear informing you that extensions from unknown sources have been turned off. You must manually select Turn On Anyway when creating modules in the Edge browser using Xscan. If the option Keep Them Off has been selected, you will have to activate the extension manually. To do that, click on the button with the 3 dots in the navigation bar. Select the option Extensions. Here you will see the Tosca automation extension for Microsoft Edge. Switch the state to On. The Tosca icon will appear in the address bar. Restart the browser and click on the Turn On Anyway button. Now we can begin scanning in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching.